Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my wonderful family, today I have another one for you about the upcoming 2 weeks sit at home. Some persons are in support while some persons are not. I don't really want to talk too much. I want to release this video for you to watch and drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
One last never had to have a bruiser.
I can't do it.
But I have to go. Mazin Nandekanu is my leader.
One love, bros.
One opening I got behind me and knee, let her go. As soon as somebody by Marie Hornem, one day. Big on what has can do. One is not somebody by Marie Hornem, Mabby. Nihone Madroma. Nsick and Joe. Ndedios cannon colo name. Cannon colo name can man the cano pota. Because now, one the media was getting you to what kind of your from man. One day, media was eating one for the Quebec. Ciao, you want to go?
Blockage,
Media was eating one for the Quebec. Because na Samoni Bana he metia. Okay. Or if I knew ba boy ne metia. If I knew ba grab up their security outfit, can we case stop was start to home. Or if I knew ba ne metia. On the kwame ezi okwe bensi weku jo. Or webu na Samoni basi. Not your release yen na and the canoe. One year Nigerian government. From now to 30th of this month, July, I'm going to listen now in the canoe. Now I can wait 2 weeks sit at home. No, let's be honest. So now, it's in a guy who sit at home. I say, no, I know the snake hand on no. One day, DOS. Who make a man the canoputa when I say I am underground job. Casing go underground job. But man can you go put our phone with a way now for way now phone. I can go that level. You gonna go? One day, when it comes to the issue of this struggle, I'm so fanatical about Biafra. And you cannot play with Biafra when it comes to me. You go if from us in the cano.
Good morning. I just want to quickly make this video for 2-3 minutes. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, Abi. And that was Jesus Christ that everybody today. If Jesus was in this world, if Jesus is in this world today, or let us say if Jesus was in Nigeria or is a Nigerian today, do you think Jesus Christ is going to keep quiet while Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is locked up there? In fact, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is not going to be locked up. It was Jesus Christ that is going to be locked up. You see, the so-called men of God in Nigeria that are just keeping quiet, they are nothing but cowards. I am the man of God. I am the man of God. Yes, we that are agitating the liberation, Jesus Christ came to liberate you guys. That's exactly what we are doing now. People, you just keep quiet. This is uncalled for. Men of God in Nigeria should stand up and talk. Fuel is 620 naira. Nobody is saying anything. Everybody just quiet. You see some men of God coming to tell me, no, concentrate on the work of God. Oh, do I have to put a collar before you know I'm a man of God? I don't have to put a collar. I don't have to read the Bible. I don't have to be on a puppy. I'll be waiting on the collar before you recognize me as a man of God. What is man of God? They will tell you those people are causing mayhem. Nobody is causing mayhem. Nobody they cause mayhem. That's exactly what Jesus Christ would have done. It's what we are doing now. I read yesterday Mark Ozakome. He said Mazin Nnamdi Kanu say that he doesn't support sit at home. Mike Ozakome, the Mazin Nnamdi Kanu lawyer. Go and lock your father inside the room for 2 years and let us see how it's going to feel like. In your own court of law, you won the case for Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why people are saying sit at home is because of the same cause that you went to the court, you won the case. People should just, everything should just be quiet. They are tormenting the man there. We don't know what is happening. He demand for doctor, no way. He demand for glasses, no way. I mean, if you think we should be quiet, go and lock your father inside a room for 2 years. Go and lock your papa. You where they talk say, not we where they talk say make people sit at home. You where they talk say you know one sit at home. Go and lock your father in a room for 2 years. Your own father. Go lock your papa inside room. Give him beans, make it a chop. Don't give him anything he wants. If he's sick, don't give him a doctor. And see how it feels. They say life begins at 40. At the time that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be enjoying his life with his wife, with children as they are growing. Yeah, he's a freedom fighter. There are places that you should see a freedom fighter. Exile or prison. We quite understood. But in this case, he won in the court of law and acquitted. Why are they still holding him? You people are saying, sit at home is affecting everybody. Make it affect you now. Even my family is affecting them. Yes, it's affecting them. We were having a meeting. They say, oh, don't forget to sit at home on 31st of July. That's now, therefore, take their mouth, talk up. Say, no, we are not going to go because 31st of July is sit at home. Civil disobedience. They never complain. They not complain, no. They just say, no, that day we no go fit go. Now 31st of July. I say, okay. Everybody is sitting at home. Sit at home. Okay, do you think that it's only the government going to suffer them? If you think it is good to quiet, if you think it's good to be quiet, go and lock your father inside room. Lock your father for 2 years, so lock him inside room as they lock that man. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Bye.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.